everyone and welcome. Today I'm here to introduce to you FlexDrive, a new SCM technology that allows to manually set up the work table through integrated LED lights indicators. This is a feature that we developed in order to give you a fast, safe and easy solution in your daily work. So fast because FlexDrive minimizes the machine setup time. In fact, the light system guides the operator in setting up the table, indicating the exact position of the suction cups, which is known to be one of the most time-consuming operations, hence unproductive time. Also, this solution is safe because it is able to eliminate all the possible errors in the clamping positioning. Thanks to a real and automatic verification of the current setup, if something is wrong, for example, the machining program won't start. And then it's really easy to use because programming, for example, doesn't change. And as a plus, there is no need for an expert since the LED light indicators makes the machine and the setup user-friendly. So now let's see how it works. From Maestro CNC, we prepare the program and define the position of suction cups according to the machining to be performed, and obviously to the piece dimensions. As you can see, the suction cups are positioned differently because of the previous workings. Our first task is to remove unneeded suction cups. By taking them off, we reduce to zero the risk of collisions during machining. And thanks to the red lights located both on the bar and on the suction cups, we're able to quickly understand which one we have to remove. Once this operation is done, there will be blue LEDs indicating where the new suction cups need to be added. Maestro Active will guide us step by step by choice and positioning of the suction cup for each bar. Green light and we are ready to define the setup. The lights will start blinking more frequently as the correct position of the suction cups is approached. The double green light will indicate that the target position has been reached. For the bars, placement works in the same way, and we can check it from both these two positions. All the rails that we are not going to use don't need particular precision. This allows to save a lot of time on the table setup. Once the work table setup has been completed by the operator, all the blue LEDs will light up. This means that the machine has already checked that bars and suction cups are correctly positioned, reducing possible error to zero. We can now start with the processing. Thank you very much for your attention, and for any other requests or information, feel free to contact us on our website scmwood.com. Bye-bye.